All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another trading video. I planned on making a video yesterday, completely got like sidetracked of time and it just didn't work out. So we're gonna make this one today. Today is Thursday, November 22nd. You can see down there in the bottom right. So far on the week, we are up $600 on the 250 and up $300 on the 50K. We're gonna show you guys the 50K right here. I don't know if I've shown this on the channel yet. This is a new 50K. I blew the other one, but I recently got this one. I have like 12 trading days on it. I think I already took a payout on it. That's why you can see this is not right here. There's something going on. I took a winning trade Monday after the payout, and that should only put it up to like 2,700 something. That's what it said yesterday. It was like 2,777 or something. And then I took a losing trade yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, yesterday was break even. Maybe I have myself confused. Honestly, not sure. Let me just open my journal. Yeah, I have myself like totally. Wait, today is Thursday, right? No, today is Friday. Okay, so Wednesday, we took a losing trade. Okay. I just like lost track of all the time of the week. Okay, so Monday, winning trade. Tuesday, no trade. Wednesday, losing trade. And yesterday, break even trade. So I have my balance here on Monday after the winner is 2596.22. And then on Wednesday after the loss of 52,387, which it showed like 377 or something, whatever it was after the commissions. But for some reason, this has stayed the same because yesterday I lost $0. It was like a $5 commission, whatever the commission is. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn this crap down. This is what we're listening to, by the way. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. It's like $200 off. I don't know if it just didn't count one of the trading days, if Rhythmic was down or something, and I wasn't supposed to trade. But regardless, it's not right. It's right on my 50 or 250K. So I don't know what's going on there. On that account, we are up $6,731.80. I just took a payout of $1,855. That was the third payout on that account. So according to Apex, I emailed them the next payout. As long as I'm above 6,600, I can take a payout of 3,000. So that's the goal. But we also have to have 5 winning days, I think it is, of $50 or more. And yesterday, I moved it to break even. And I should have moved it to 5 ticks. I accidentally had it at 4 ticks. So we had a winner of $45, which clearly won't count. So I'm going to move this over here. Can I move this, please? But yeah, so that really sucks. So we need 4 more winning days, I think, till we can take a payout. So yeah, we're going to watch this area right here. If this candle closes like this will definitely be sell side, but it's kind of choppy right here. So we may have to wait until either this area down here gets taken. This one possibly too, because it's a nice looking swing low, or this high up here. This high technically is, but I feel like if it runs here, it will definitely run all the way up here. But if you guys didn't see Bitcoin, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. I don't think it got to 100K. No, it got close, but it didn't make it there. So yeah, kind of crazy. Don't have any money in Bitcoin, sadly. ES is looking the same. Actually, ES looks like it's taken that low out already. There's a little bit of a SMT there. But that's not enough to make me look for a buy. We're very close to taking that sell side out. All right. Just want to make sure I'm recording. Yep. I kind of want to do these like no cut videos. I think they make more sense. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Just kind of sit here and chill and talk. Got some snow last night. Actually, quite a bit of snow. I'd say it was like a good ½ inch, maybe an inch. There was a lot of snow out there last night. But it's still kind of flurrying, which is, I really wasn't expecting it to snow, but I guess, you know, it is November 22nd, which is crazy to think about. We can look on the higher time frames here. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. This candle was just weird. I took a trade around. I can go find the trade that I took. It almost panned out. Didn't get there. Glad we moved to break even. Let's see here. It was definitely after 9:30. Came down. It was right there. I took the trade like, I can see the exact entry I put on here. 68625. Right there, about 50% of that gap. Very close stop we had yesterday at 40 ticks. Oh my gosh, these ads. You know, we're just going to close that out. Hopefully you guys can't even hear that anyway. Entered us on this candle. And then you can see it immediately shot up. Like 70 ticks, 71 ticks, 17 and a half points. As soon as it done that, I mean, it was like immediate. So I moved to break even, came back down and stopped us out. So one of those things, like if it wasn't going to keep pushing, I wasn't going to let it fully stop me out at $400 losers. So I feel like that was a good play. But hopefully we can take a W today. Give us another good week. Last week was my best week ever. I didn't trade Friday. I had 4 trades, and they were all winners. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 trade per day. Definitely my best week ever. The week before that, I had the worst week ever. Again, no losers or no winners. I had like a $2,700 loss on. I don't know if that was both accounts. I feel like that was. Let me look. No, it was the week before last. It was the last week of October. I lost $2,700. I think that was across both accounts though. Yeah. So we started the week off on the 250 at up $5,687, and we ended it at 253, 377. So I don't know if that's across both accounts or not, but regardless. And the week after that, we made $1,522. And then the week after that, we made 6,000. Best week ever. I want to thank God for that. Sure. And this week we are only up 600 on the 250 and 200 on the 50K. So $800, but today could no, we're up $300 on the 50K. So we're up $900. But today could change that. But regardless, we're not going to have a losing week. No matter what, we'll make $300 this week. So yeah, hopefully we can get something rolling here before 9:45. There is news at 9:45. Flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI, but just PMI at 9:45. But we still have like an hour before that, so hopefully we can get our trade rolling before then. I would like to see this get taken out. Make even more sense for this candle to close before it takes it out, so this can be like a proper swing low. But if not, this is still some sell side liquidity. But yeah, other than that, going pretty well. Still hitting the gym pretty consistently, except last week I only went twice. This week I have not been able to go one time. Just I don't know why. I just cannot wake up and go. Hopefully after these holidays with Thanksgiving, I can get back in the grind for Christmas. I really want to lose some weight before Christmas. My goal was to lose weight before Thanksgiving, but here we are. I haven't lost anything. I'm sitting like 190, 195 pounds. That's with no fasting. So I really need to start my fasting again and get my like water weight down. It would probably make me feel a lot better. I've just been eating so much junk food lately, and I know that's my problem. So I'm really gonna start dedicating myself. As soon as Thanksgiving is over, I am going back on the grind, and hopefully gonna hit my goal weight of 170, which is 20 pounds, 25 pounds. I know I can do it. So I really don't want to lose a lot of muscle though. So I guess depending on how I look, if I lose say like 15 pounds and I look fine, because I know when I was a 170, I did not have like too much muscle. I was hitting the gym, but not the way that I am now. I was only going in there and doing like working out how you would kind of want to get lean and not build too much muscle. But now when I hit the gym, I push pretty much every set to failure. Some people might say that's a bad idea, but I do like every set to failure no matter what. So I think now I have a lot more muscle mass, and I think that's where some of my weight has came from, is just purely just muscle. And I used to not hit legs whatsoever because I had a gym at my apartment. All it had was dumbbells, a cable machine, uh, a lat pull down machine that also had like the rows you could like either pull or pull down. So it was a cool machine to have, and then it had a chest press, randomly enough, in the corner, and then treadmills, like 3 treadmills, a bike, and then the thing that you stand up that looks like you're running. I don't even know what that thing's called. Elliptical maybe. And like an ab machine. Not an ab machine, like a thing you can do like sit ups on. I don't even know what it was. But I really couldn't like squat or nothing like that. I would always do like, I don't even know what those squats are with dumbbells. But regardless, I've been hitting legs like a lot more. Leg press, not leg press, leg extensions. Been doing squats like I've done like 3 things of squats now since I've like really wanted to hit legs. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but I was really like avoiding squats until I got my legs like a little strong, but now I'm doing them like pretty comfortably. So really happy about that. I'm gonna pause this and I'll pick this back up in just a minute when we get some more progress or some action on the charts. All right, I think it's recording. We got this little swing high right here. So if that closes above there and gives us a fair value gap, that would be absolutely perfect right now. Just hopefully the fair value gap isn't that large. I hate when they're huge like that. Could go around the midpoint. Be right before that high right there. So that might be like a little perfect entry for us. We will see, I guess, if it even gives us a fair value gap. Keeping the stop right there would be ideal. Seven, 8, 8, 2, 5.
Order working.
Order submitted.
All right. Got that put in there. We'll see how this plays out. It tags us in or not. I'm currently looking at computer builds on PC Part Picker. I want to build me a new computer. I've been considering going with AMD as the graphics card. I really like the 7900 XTs, but I don't know if it'd be better to wait till like the first quarter of next year because I think they're coming out with their like better mid-range 8000 series, I believe. So we may have to wait for that. We'll see if we get tagged in here. May not.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, it just tagged us in. But, yep. Dumping, okay. An insta stop day, maybe? Let's mark out this fair value gap. Hopefully it can reject it pretty well. Took on the higher time frames. Big 2-minute fair value gap right here also. Filled that pretty much completely almost. And I think that's the only ones. 5 minutes looking a little janky. Look at that 5-minute candle. Did sweep that high right there, but we will see how this goes. I like to move my stop around 80 ticks, but I think if we get to there, I will. We're going to mark that out. It took me forever to figure out how to make those straight lines like that. Because, you know, if you use the, which one is this? The trend line, it's like this. Hold shift. And if you have like the magnet on over here, you can magnet to that, shift straight out. It's an amazing thing that took me forever to figure out. But I'm glad I did. But yeah, talking about computers again. If you guys don't care about that, just ignore it. But I'm going to use the new H5 Flow, the 2024 model. I love that case. I think it looks amazing. Because right now I'm rocking a 3600X and a 1660 Ti. And I got both of those used off Marketplace. I got the 3600X for $80 with the cooler. So that was nice. It had like a small, they said that it didn't have any bit pins, and I got it home and it did, but I just straightened them up with a razor blade. First computer I ever built. I just got a B450 motherboard, 1660 Ti. It's the MSI, the twin Frozer. I don't even know how you say that, but I had a 2070 Super in the last computer that I had that had the twin Frozer. I'm just going to call it that. And I loved that, so I wanted to get that one again. But nothing crazy. It gets the job done for now. But I definitely want to probably go AMD next route. I love the 7900 XTs. I love the 7900 GREs, but I kind of just want something like more that could like last forever. But I think I'm going to wait until the 8000 series comes out just because why not? But I definitely want to use the new H5 Flow RGB. But enough of that. We had a good little run up there. Almost 10 points. Come back down. We'll see if we take a winner or a loser today. We have 30 minutes till news comes out, so I want to make sure, if anything, I don't know if I want to close by then or not. But we're just going to mark out we'll do 9:43 just to, because if it's nearing our take profit, I'll probably just close the trade. If it's like right here, I'll just close it. No point in risking more than what we have to. Currently in drawdown right now. Oh yeah, for the CPU, I probably want to go for I don't know if I want to get a Ryzen 9000, maybe like a 7700X or something. But I mean, by then, I could maybe just get a 9800X 3D or something. If they come back down to MSRP, that would probably be the best play. Let's see what they're going for right now. I think it's like 660. 669. Yesterday, I almost bought a 7800X 3D. It's right now 458. It dropped down to, hold on, I took a screenshot. I thought about just buying it, and I didn't. It dropped down to $349 on Amazon. It was 22% discount from $449, so it was $100 off. Didn't buy it, of course. Should have. Would have been a great deal. The 7800X 3D is still amazing, but I didn't. So maybe they'll come out with like a 9600X 3D because that'd be like all I would need, or the 9800X 3D, or maybe the 9950X 3D. I mean, if I'm gonna get something to last, I could always just get like the beast, the best of the best, whatever comes out. But if I built one right now, I'd probably go for the 7700X. I don't think I would need a 7800X 3D. It's not like I play like games on max settings anyway. Full ray tracing and, well, I guess that's not really CPU heavy. No, it's not. And I guess I can't really say much about ray tracing with the 7900 XT. I really wanted to get a 4080 Super before, but the fact that they're like over $1,000 right now, I think the cheapest one's like $989 or something like that. I'd way rather spend right now. The 7900 XTX is like $630, which is like a $400 difference almost. For a little bit less performance, noticeable, probably not. So that's what I would probably go for. I've never had an AMD GPU. I had a 1060, had a 1070, and then 2070 Super, and then now my 1660 Ti. So I've had 4 computers, but the first two were, the very first computer I had was an Alienware computer. Yeah. And then the second one I had was an Omen, because the Alienware one like died. It kept crashing whenever I'd play games on it. And then I got an Omen computer. My dad got me. Had it for a while. Sold it to one of my buddies during COVID. And then after I moved, which was like a couple years later, I got this computer on Marketplace. It had a 5600X, a 2070 Super. He had it listed as 16 gigabytes of RAM, but it actually had 32 in it. So I don't know if he just didn't know what was in it or if he just mistyped on there. But the reason I figured that out was because I kept getting a blue screen like a couple months into having the computer. Checked the RAM and actually had 32 gigs. So, but the RAM was dead anyway. One stick was, so I had to go buy some new Corsair RAM. And then, yeah, now we have back to the old roots, I guess. I've never had like a nice computer. I just want to have like a nice computer for once. And something that would like last me for a while. So, I'm going to go ahead and move to break even here. Let's see where 6 ticks is. We're going to go for 6 ticks. For 7. 7. 9 0. All right. Hopefully we can just hit target here. We're just about 10 ticks away. Up 800 right now on the 250. Just hit 900. Kind of came back down. Up 425 on the 50K. But we're hands off now. So hopefully this will just rip. I've had them before get like 5 ticks away like how this one is and just come back down and stop me out of break even. Really sucks, but it's part of trading. It's my plan. It's my trading plan. So if it comes back down and stops me out at break even, oh well. No money lost. And the way we have it set up now is to get the $50 profit, whatever it is on Apex. So it would just be a win overall. So, but it would be even better to hit take profit. So we're just going to really hope that happens. Because we are up 750 right now. 250 more would be, they put us at like 7750 up on the account. On the 50K, I don't know, what are we up right now on it? Like $75 more, like 3,075 or something like that, maybe. I'm not really sure. But hopefully we can push through. Hit our TP. We're very close. A couple points off. Oh. Hopefully we'll get there. We'll see. We may move the TP or the stop loss up to here. I don't know. No, we're just going to leave it where it is. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. I'm still going to upload this video regardless. But you guys did see me. I was up $910 at some point. Oh, man, this is really dumping. Okay, now we're only up 350. You guys can see how fast that we can lose trades. I have a feeling this is going to stop us out. Looks like it went up, swept some liquidity, and just dumped. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get stopped here. Really, really unfortunate. I mean, you've seen how close we was to hitting take profit. But
Stop filled.
Order cancelled.
man, that really sucks. We made 63 bucks on the day. Oh, no, we didn't hit 50 on this one. That's my bad. I forgot we only had one contract rolling. Oh, my gosh. What a very unfortunate day. But this will probably continue higher. You've seen we was 9 ticks away. Still going to show you guys the reality of trading. That's what I'm going to title this video, actually. So we was 90 bucks away from hitting our $1,000 take profit. That would have been nice. That would have put our account to like $7,700 right now. Actually, like $7,800 in profit. That probably would have guaranteed our next payout, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.